Hi, Rolf here. Thanks for joining me. Last week we spoke about looking at a better way to buy out a roof. One of the attributes that many building owners use is the roof warranty. I wanted to talk to you about that a little bit today. When speaking to building owners, we find out that they're concerned about a couple of things. Number one, they tend to be frustrated when they bought a roof with a 20-year warranty and they find out the roof doesn't last that long. It's not uncommon. Most roofs statistically will not last for the 20-year period that it says on the warranty. Number two, they're unhappy because they find out that the only thing that the warranty covers is the cost to stop the leak. Not damage to the roof, not damage to the building, and certainly not damage to the contents of the building. And then the owners are also concerned when they read the fine print on the warranty. There's lots of fine print, but one area that we hear about all the time is they didn't realize to keep that warranty in effect for 20 years, they need to provide preventive maintenance. Their core business is something else besides roofing. They have no idea how to maintain the roof. So there's a lot to unpack here. I just want to hit a couple of the highlights today, but maybe the best way to look at this is to make the analogy to some consumer goods. So if you buy a brand new car, you go to the dealership, you walk in, and the salesman asks you what you're looking for, and your first answer is the warranty. No, you're looking for a specific kind of vehicle, a sedan, a truck, an SUV. You want certain features. Your friends or family have told you they've had good success with a certain brand or a certain model. You want a color, you want a certain kind of interior. All of those things go into the mix, and it comes with a manufacturer's warranty. The warranty is one of the attributes, not the first. Something else, cutlery, fine cutlery. You may have been given some when you were married. You will use that for your entire life and leave it in your will for your grandchildren. Yet it never came with a warranty. It was of such a high quality, the warranty was implied. So the analogy here is that there's no correlation between a piece of paper and the quality of what you're getting. The piece of paper does not keep the water out of your building. The roof does. So digging in this a little bit more, when it comes to commercial roofs, there's basically four kinds of warranties. We'll talk about those a little bit. The first would be a manufacturer's material warranty. What is that? Should the roof fail and the manufacturer owes you a new roof, they'll deliver it to you on a pallet. It's up to you to provide the loading dock and a fork truck, and there's some assembly required. The only thing they're obligated to do is to give you the material. You may say, Rolf, that sounds silly. It is silly. There's sillier things yet to come. Number two would be a manufacturer's prorated warranty. And going back to the car analogy, if you buy a new battery for your car, it has a 60-month guarantee. If it fails in the first month or two, you get a free battery. If it fails in the 59th month, you get a couple of dollars. Same thing applies with a prorated roof warranty. Number three, a manufacturer's labor and material system warranty. This is closer to what you want to have at the end of the day, because if the manufacturer owes you a new roof, they will provide all of the material that they provided in the original system, plus the labor to put it in. And the last is a contractor's labor and material system warranty. And this is the one that I think is the funniest. And the reason being, there's some contractors that won't give you a manufacturer's warranty. They want to give you their contractor's warranty because they say it's easier for you. The reality is it's easier for them because for 20 years you are married to them. If you fire them, your warranty is voided. If you have another contractor do any work on that roof, your warranty is voided. You don't own a roof when it's all said and done. They own you. So, as I said, there's a lot to unpack here. If you'd like to have a conversation about other attributes that you should be looking at in addition to your roof warranty, give me a call. My contact information is here in this post. And thank you for listening. Stay safe. And don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn at #RolfSnowbeck. Thanks.